Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is February 14th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to these charts and see what we see. And I see green is what I see. But let's resize and maximize this quarterly chart. And let me slide this. I hope this is going to be okay. Slide this around a little bit and see what we see. All right, green, 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 green. Stand above pivot. Still quite a ways off of that R1 level. And when I say stand above pivot, we stand above this line right here. We're still below our yearly R1 and all, but we are higher lows and almost made a higher high now. So again, this market is acting like it's getting ready to take off, but you hear that a lot from me, being a bullish trader. That's just one of those things. That's what I see here on this big picture. Let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, we are seeing that we are still above the 9-10 moving average. So technically, we are still in a bull market, and we did close this month. We're above, previous month high. We got higher lows on the previous 2 months, and now we got a higher high. This high is higher than that high. We're still above this quarterly R1. We're still staying above pivot and all, so that still looks good and all. So we're still looking, the bulls may be beginning to kick back in, and those bears are going back to sleep somewhere. But let's kind of like wait and see what happens here and all. Let's go ahead and go down here to the weekly chart, see what we see there. On this weekly chart, it looks very, very, very strong here and all. Got me straightening up and all. The thing is, we got these lows, higher lows. We're finally getting a higher high. And we finally got to close above this monthly R1 level. When this market starts getting bullish, we start getting above that monthly R1. But if we get close to that R2, and seem like we're getting above this whole supply level here now. We don't have the wicks like we were getting before. These wicks here, getting kind of like, I know, these wicks here pushing down. This week we finally got to close up here in this area, above, not above this area, but deep into this area, where next week this thing might just gap up and we have to kind of like wait and see what happens. But no trade recommendation there. Just still trade based on your trading plan and your trading strategies that you have and all. But it's looking very bullish. But this week when I've been trading, I've been I am long. I am long the SPY. And I've been very cautious about one of the other trading strategies that I have on the call side. So that's all I can say about that. Because this is what I kind of noticed here. That looked like this thing is trying to go higher now. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and wrap this on up. On the daily chart. Oh, why did I do that? We'll go ahead and maximize this daily chart. And we can see, now it's kind of nice to see, look at this picture here. We can see that we're at this top here now. That's the whole thing. When I'm saying at this top here, we at these top. We finally got above this high, now we're fighting that high. The thing is, we got some people will almost say that we got a big W pattern and all, and now are we going to take off? That's the thing. Can we take off? That's what we're going to be looking at. It hasn't been like the last few Fridays where we've been getting these sell-offs and stuff. This Friday we ended up closing near the top. Wow. So be cautious. Be cautious. Be cautious if you've been trying to short this market. Still just trade based on your trading plans and your trading strategies. But we have to kind of like just wait and see. And that's pretty much it. That's all I really see here and all. But this market is beginning to look kind of bullish, but we're at the top. Be cautious. That's all I can say. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.